I'm Kipp Kobayashi. I'm the artist behind the art piece at MSP Airport. Well, it's called The Dreams We Carry. The concept came from a series of public engagements. If you had a one-way ticket anywhere you wanted to go, what 3 things would you bring with you? And based on the responses, we created a sculptural installation in the G Rotunda. The material I chose was wire mesh. It's sort of a simple material that can be transformed into something a lot more sort of magical or sophisticated. Putting together the rounded shapes was probably the most challenging part. It was a combination of both molding things over solid forms and also cutting and stitching together like sewing. The installation includes 215 suspended objects, but within each of those objects, sometimes there are multiple objects embedded inside, so the total actually is probably over 350 pieces. The more three-dimensional, more articulated pieces are on the bottom, and as they get higher and higher, they get more and more abstracted as they become absorbed into the entire composition. The composition is put together in a swirl that is meant to resemble clouds. It's like cloud gazing, cloud watching. The wire mesh picks up the light a little bit differently depending on if it's day or evening when you come. I've seen people sort of walk through and begin to say, oh, there's a bike there, and then, oh, and there's a teddy bear there. Oh, and there's a plant there. Oh, and sort of go through and start looking at all the different things and hopefully make a connection thinking, oh yeah, that's something I take with me, or that's something that's important to me. Even reminisce or think about memories, things that you have. To me, that's perfect. That's what I was really hoping for.